Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to talk about first aid, being prepared with your first aid kit, and my kit has always been lacking something until now. So up until this point I've been carrying around this. I keep this in my kit. I take it with me anytime I go on travels. I keep it readily available at the house. It's got everything you need in there, you know, gauze and bandages and cleaning wipes and you can see there's medication in there, old medication. There's aspirin and all the stuff you could possibly think of you'd need for first aid. But the kit's always been lacking antibiotics, and up until now it was really hard to get antibiotics. You would be lucky even if you begged your physician to subscribe you an extra set of antibiotics in case of an emergency. And if they did, as I understand, insurance won't pay for a just in case dose anyway. So a company came out called Jase Medical, and I partnered with them. They sent me my kit, and so let's get that open right now and let's check it out and see what's in here. This is a game changer. It's affordable. You can always be ready for anything. Here's the case. They call it the Jase Case. Okay, let's get it open. It's the first time I've opened this, obviously. So there it is. There's the medicine. It actually has my name, just as if I was getting this from my doctor. And it even comes with azithromycin, okay? Z-Pack. So we'll get into the different medicines. I'm going to be up front. I probably am going to mispronounce most of this, but let's go with there's that one. Carproflexin, and then we have we'll show all these here in the book. Doxycycline, there's that one. Okay. All right, and then the azithromycin. Comes with the emergency antibiotic guide. You come in here and you can look things up by what the drug actually can do, what the antibiotic can actually do, or you can look it up by different conditions, you know, animal bites, nausea, vomiting, plague, pneumonia, sinusitis, skin infection, all sorts of traveler's diarrhea, all sorts of stuff in here. And this gives you every little bit of information you need about the drug facts on every single medication that comes in your kit. Now, up until now, like I said, up until now, it was really hard to get antibiotics for your bug out bag, for your first aid kit. You know, and with the pandemic that just went through, it's been pretty hard on the entire supply chain as far as getting medicines and materials and groceries, things like that. And anything can cause that. A lot of our medications are produced overseas, and anything could happen and cause you not to be able to get your medicine. So the cool thing about this is that it is licensed board physicians prescribing the medicine. And what you do is you go to by the way, there's a coupon code down below. Links and everything will be right at the top of the description. Just go down there, click it. No obligation. Go check it out. There's frequently asked questions on their page. I have it pulled up right now. You can get gift cards from the website, frequently asked questions. There's a little video there for you to watch, and I believe somewhere you can download the guide so you can read it before you buy. But it's really affordable. It's like, it's in the $250 range, and this medicine will last you for years. Apparently, there was a study done. I tried to look to find the study. I will try to find it for future videos, but studies been done with the military that had stockpiles of medicine, and they didn't want to throw it all away, so they did some extensive research on that medicine to show that it lasts for years, at 90% potency for years, 10, 15, 20 years, something like that. So the medicine will last a long time. Keep it in a cool, dry place and in the dark. And then the other thing is you can reorder this once a year if you wanted to. You can only get your prescription once a year, but that's fine. You can, if you got sick with any of these, you needed any of this, whether bronchitis and sinusitis. It's something I used to get on the regular, was sinusitis, bronchitis, and depending, and sometimes it'd go to pneumonia. But now, if that happens and there's a grid down situation, if that happens and I know my symptoms, if I'm traveling, I'm taking this with me. I'm ordering one of these for every member of my family. And the way you do that is you go click the link down below. And like I said, there's a coupon code there for you to get a discount. You go on there and then you click order. You start, and then it's for Canadian or U.S. Patients. You click your associated button, and then you select who you're ordering the medicine for, whether it's yourself or a dependent that you're a guardian of. So you click that and you go about the questionnaire. And in some cases, I think there might be a video conference, but when I ordered mine, it was straightforward questions. I'm not allergic to any medications, but if you are, you definitely want to put that in the consultation. And they ship out your medicines. I mean, what an awesome deal! What a great piece of medicine to add to your kit. So check out the description below. Click the link, use the coupon code, and let me know what your thoughts are on this in the comments down below. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.